Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide the tutorial on how to convert Amazon account to business on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Well, first thing first, please open the Amazon application on your device. Okay, and then here you can press profile icon at the bottom. After that, you can select your account menu. Okay, and then here you can scroll down. And then here you can select register for free business account. Okay, and then here you can convert your account into business account by pressing this option. And then click once again. And then here you can enter your password account. Okay, after that in this section, you can fill in the blank with your business information. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to convert Amazon account to business on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.